viewership and usage of IGTV. Now think about how many people can actually discover you just through your content and actually convert them into followers. Welcome back, and as I was talking about in the intro, we are talking about IGTV in this video. And the reason why we're talking about IGTV is because it is becoming the hottest thing on Instagram right now to help you grow your account organically. If you're really looking to grow your account, then this is a video for you because it's going to help you so much to gain that organic followers and real followers. So IGTV launched in 2018 in June. And when it first started, I'm gonna have to be honest with you, I got on it and I honestly saw a nice little jump in growth and followers by using IGTV, and I was able to grow my account during that time for a few weeks. I want to say maybe at least at the most 4 weeks. But as we continue to use the new feature on this platform, like all good things, there was a lot of confusion and there was a lot of people posting videos that were horizontal that would end up vertical because people were not used to posting vertically. And now you can actually do horizontal video on IGTV. But here's the thing, that although it started very, very slow, the platform viewership is definitely picking up steam. If you're not using IGTV, then you're missing out on organic growth. Usage increased by 300% when they added feature to the feed. And then some measures are even boasting 1,000% increase in viewership and usage of IGTV. Now think about how many people can actually discover you just through your content and actually convert them into followers. And as of now, IGTV allows you to convert short clips and feature them to your feed. I've personally seen an incredible increase in my views when I post using the feature to add to my feed, even up to 1,000 more views than just posting my videos directly to IGTV. You're talking about 100 views that I used to get just by posting on IGTV versus if I actually use the feature to post, I'm getting over thousands of views just by using that. So imagine the power of increasing the view of your profile just by using IGTV. Here is how you're going to be able to feature your post on IGTV. You're going to click the plus, select IGTV video. You're going to upload the video of your choice. Then you're going to make sure that you select photo cover and select a photo cover that complements your Instagram feed or that actually talks about what this video is about, kind of like a teaser cover. Then make sure that you click on post a preview to your profile feed. All right, so this video could not be complete unless I give you 3 actionable tips that you can actually use to help explode your followers organically by using IGTV. So the first thing that I want you guys to think about is if you already have a following on Instagram, you don't need to start from scratch. This is so amazing because when you're trying to build an audience on IGTV, all you have to do is mine your own data. And that is specifically what I've been able to use for myself as well as for my clients. So make sure that you're continuing to mine your data to create IGTV content. That means that what are those frequently asked questions that people are asking from you or of you on the platform? Turn those into IGTV content. You can also use IGTV videos to ask questions to your audience and also get answers from your audience. Make sure that you use it to map out your content development strategy for IGTV and as part of your strategy to grow strategically on Instagram. Tip number 2 is make sure that the first few minutes of that video clip is extremely compelling, especially if you are sharing it to your feed. So that means if you're going to use the feature to post, make sure that the first few seconds are compelling because people want to get the meat right then and there. Then give them sides and dessert later. Then that's when you're gonna ask people to actually follow you and to continue to watch on IGTV. Make sure that you get to the point within the first 30 seconds of your video and then invite your audience to continue watching on IGTV. And the third tip is edit your videos for the Explorer page. So here is what I'm talking about when I'm referring to edit your videos to the Explorer page. Your IGTV videos are now able to be seen on the Explorer page, which is so neat because that gives you discoverability and it gives you a ton of visibility. And in order to hit the Explorer page, you want to increase your chances by aligning the type of content that you're creating for your IGTV videos to the Explorer page content tags. And those content tags are whether it's music, beauty, DIY, home decor, art. Make sure that you use those tags and create content similar to those tags so it starts showing up in those specific tags. The more you tailor your content towards the category tags, then you're going to get your IGTV video exposed on the Explorer page faster. So here's a great example. If you are a realtor and you want to create IGTV videos to grow your following, grow your profile, and your influence on Instagram, the best way to do it is to do IGTV videos that either talk about a DIY, how to DIY something in a brand new home. Another suggestion would be how to style and how to add decor to a brand new home. Or if you are a realtor that you also teach other realtors, then why not do an IGTV video that really helps people how to use decor to stage a house to sell faster on the market. So those are great ideas to help you use specifically towards and targeted towards the content tags on the Explorer page, but content that not only is appropriate for you and your business and your industry, but that people are actually going to want to watch. Finally, you want to pair this amazing video that you just created with hashtags that are common to that category tag. So for instance, going back to the realtor, if she talked about home decor, we would like to use hashtags like hashtag home decor. Although they may not be specifically realty related, she may want to include home decor, hashtag decorating new home as ways to help her organically be found by people looking for similar content. Okay, mi gente, ¿cómo ven? Are you ready to start using IGTV? Because I know I am going to start using it a lot more now, and I've gotten really excited about using this for my clients because I've seen how amazing that the growth is just by using IGTV. Comment right now and let me know if you're going to be using IGTV or not. Make sure to watch every Thursday as I bring you brand new videos that talk about creating a personal brand by mastering your mindset, making your mark, and marketing it on social media. Y como siempre, mi gente, besitos a todos y nos vemos la próxima semana.